we'll guide you through how to download Genshin Impact on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Genshin Impact is a really fun game to play, and we can go and play it on a big screen on our computer. So to go and get started, you can go and open up the description or comments of this video, and you can go and click on the link. That is an affiliate link which supports the channel and no extra cost to you. And then what we can do is when you're here is press play Genshin Impact on PC like this and wait for the download. It's now downloaded and you want to go and head to your downloads in your file explorer. Double click on the application. We're doing this through BlueStacks. It's my preferred way of doing it. You can go and press the install button and then wait for it to go and download. Let it run through. In the meantime, you can go and close the other windows. When it finishes, it will open up and you can press install from Google Play. You need to go and sign in with a Google account. Let's make BlueStacks full screen. Now you may automatically get taken here. If you don't, you can just press the search icon to the left in Play Store and then we can go and press install. When it's finished, you can press play and we can then go and start playing it. Log in with your account if you have one, or register, or use one of these platforms. Now you need to go and choose the resources and we can go and press confirm and they'll start downloading. While you wait for this to go and download, on the screen you can go and see the different controls here. So when it's finished, you'll be able to go and get started. Leave a like if you found this useful.